Hello everyone, this is the Dark Soul 5492 here, and here we are on the part 3 of my snap build update to my BT HMM Saber Tiger. And to this update video, I'm going to show you the foreleg and the hind legs of the Saber Tiger. Well, these two are the hind legs, and these two are the forelegs. Well, to show you first is the foreleg of the Saber Tiger. Well, let's start here on the feet or the paws, which is not really doing great because you cannot move the feet, the toes separately, or it doesn't have a separate articulation of going from right to left. Same, I think same as the Schneider. And look at it, showing like this. It's really ugly. Well, for the articulation, each fingers of the paws are individually articulated. Well, this part here moves that far forwards and can bend straight that and go backwards that far. Well, this one has a gimmick that I like, that if you pull this out a little, you see that part pops up, and if you return it, it would just go in back. Well, this part here moves up and down. If this is the arm of a human, the elbow bends like that, and as you can see, that part has a gimmick that this part leaves behind and this one bends all the way around. Also, if you hold this part here, you can bend this part to have this position. Well, I guess that's it for the forelegs. Let's move on to the hind leg. Well, for the hind leg, same articulation as the foreleg here on the feet. Moves that far up and down. Has only two joints here, where this part can move that far out and back forwards. Here can bend it, same as the foreleg. It has that gimmick that this part is showing, and if you hold it, you can bend this part here further. And for the last of its gimmick, this part here moves forwards and back. Well, that's it for this update, and to the next update is the last one. I'll show you the Saber Tiger snapped on completely. Well, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.